Hey friends, it's Carrie from Bohem Essentials for the Oily Reel. Today we are going to talk about the Aromatouch diffused kit. So we're going to unpack it and kind of tell you a little bit about the different oils that are in it. Now Aromatouch, the oil itself is our massage blend and it is amazing. It's one of my favorites. Legit, I use it in my bath, I use it for massage, I diffuse it. It is literally one of my favorites, but excellent for massage. So Aromatouch technique has actually been developed by Dr. Hill, and it's actually a therapeutic technique to help with different body conditions. And there's a whole protocol that you can do. You can actually get trained to do Aromatouch technique, and I actually have done that as well. And it's great because you learn, like, there's a system with each of the oils that are in this kit, and they basically, you put them on a specific way, and you do a certain type of sort of massaging, and it really helps with like all sorts of conditions. So this kit is kind of basically if you wanted to do the technique, but also all of the oils in it are super multi-purpose, so you don't have to do Aromatouch technique in order to use the Aromatouch kit. So as I said, Aromatouch massage blend, so good. The next one that's in this kit is peppermint. So peppermint oil, as we know, is super energizing, really great in the diffuser. I put a little bit in my water before I go into the gym to just kind of like get my juices flowing. Super multi-purpose. I could go on and on about peppermint because there's so many great things about it, but we're giving you, we don't want to be here for half an hour. So we'll talk about the next one that comes in, wild orange. So wild orange, actually wild orange peppermint together, super, super uplifting and great mid 3 p.m. pick-me-up. So wild orange, obviously amazing in your water. Diffusing, it actually is really good for clearing the air and making things smell really great. So wild orange is one of those ones that, again, you can use it all of the ways, but diffusing it in my water are the ways I use it most. The next one is lavender. So as we know, lavender is super calming, really great for skin, if you have any like bug bites or anything like that. Also great for bedtime routine, getting the little ones down, helping everybody just sort of relax at the end of the day. This one is, obviously, we all know lavender, such a great oil. The next one in the kit is tea tree. So tea tree is really antibacterial. You can use it for all sorts of different like skin issues, if you've got blemishes, if you've got any sort of like toenail stuff, fungus, all those kind of things. As I said, antibacterial, so great for like, this is sort of like the first aid kit oil. I use it quite a bit for all sorts of different like skin ailments. You can also use it in your cleaning, for your green cleaning in your house, which I think is amazing too. Balance. Balance is the grounding blend. So if you think grounding, you think wood, outdoors. It's kind of a little bit of more of a woody smell. This one is actually already diluted in fractionated coconut oil, so super easy to just pop right on your skin. You don't have to worry about any sort of sensitivities. This one, again, is one of those ones that is like great for in the bath, really nice diffused, great for massage as well. Rub it on the bottoms of your feet if you're just trying to keep your energy levels really calm. Balance is like, again, I have anxiety, so balance is one of my ones that's a go-to on a regular basis. Okay, 2 left. On Guard. So On Guard, obviously, it's our immunity blend. It is good for all things immune, all things cleaning. Great in the diffuser because it has such beautiful smells. It's clove, cinnamon, orange. There's so many great smells in here. So this one is great. Again, always really good for taking internally when you're getting a little bit run down and you're trying to beat the cold or the flu. So On Guard is one of my faves. And then Deep Blue. Deep Blue is the last one in this. Deep Blue is our soothing blend. So it's great for muscles. It's really good for if you have, going to the gym, if you've like worked out a little too hard, use the Deep Blue. If you want to use it before you work out, it'll help to relax your muscles so that you don't get so sore afterwards. So great for again too, like if you have like sports, like tennis elbow or like old injuries or hockey, all the injury things, all the muscle things, Deep Blue is the bomb. So that's there's 8 different oils in this kit. That's the 8 of them. The other thing that you get in this kit is the fractionated coconut oil. and the pedal diffuser. And I don't have one to show you because they just changed the new pedal diffuser, but you will get a pedal diffuser in your kit as well. And then you can either use these oils, as we said, you can diffuse them, you can learn the Aromatouch technique, which is awesome, or you can just, play around with them and figure out what works best for you. I hope that was informative. If you have any questions, as always, we're here for you. Have a great day.